Hey, I'm Natasha from Dan's Model Works. Now, I know this isn't the sort of modeling I usually build, but I just had to have it. At the moment, I'm just waiting for another kit to be dry after airbrushing, and I thought I would start the Eggplane Series P-51 Mustang by Hasegawa. This will be my first kit I built by them. I've been excited to build this for a while, and I'm happy to start it while I have the opportunity. Now, before I actually start building it, I just wanted to give you guys an idea of what paint scheme I'm going to go with. Now, personally, I like this one better. I don't know why. I already looked at the box. It involves, you have to paint that yourself. And with the green one, it's just decals. But, I don't know, I just like that one better. I like yellow and I like blue. I think it looks better. And if we open up the box, I already know it doesn't have a lot of parts. Obviously, it's just a tiny little thing. Probably smaller than you think. The instructions. See, so that's the other paint scheme. I just don't really like it. I might change my mind though. Yeah, so again, not very many steps. It actually gives you a person, apparently, that you have to assemble and then paint and put in a little bucket. So basically that's just all assembly. You know, it tells you what colors it is to paint each part. Wow, okay. Then this is just a paint scheme. Again, it tells you where to paint for the one I like, and then the other one, which is mostly just decals, so that would be easier, but now the parts. They're just molded in basic gray. Just a couple sprues. You have the clear part safely in a plastic bag. I guess I'll have to paint. I'll have to paint trim around the window. Maybe I'll use tape or something. I don't know, I just really like this kit because it's so derpy. And there's a fuselage. Again, it's not that big. Obviously, it's not on a scale either. Front, the landing gear. Propeller's pretty big. Oh, and then there's the person. Haven't decided if I actually want to put him in yet. I'm pretty sure that'd be pretty stupid, but it even comes with drop tanks. And then just the decals. Like I said, the green paint scheme they offer has a lot more decals. The other one you have to do a little more painting, but I'm okay with that. And it's really good decals though, especially with the instrument panel. Now, these parts go on really well. When I had first opened the kit, I just automatically went to test out the fuselage going together, and I'm not going to put it on again, but like, it was such a good fit that it was really hard to get off. So I'm really happy with the fit with all these parts. Just been gluing a bunch of parts right now, the little wings. These are legit the wings. That's how small and stubby they are compared to the body. This is the little bucket that the guy's head sits in. So I figure to make the cockpit look less empty, I should put the guy in. Yeah. They even give you little drop tanks, which also went together very well. So, and like I said, I'm doing the figure. He's anime, so of course his eyes are huge. He's not exactly very realistic, but I'm working from inside the face, the closest details outwards. So I did the black for the eyes, then I did the blue for the eyes, I did the flesh. I'm gonna work from the, the helmet down to his torso. The main thing I've done so far is complete painting the figure. Now I determined that, like, I wasn't sure if I was gonna put, I think it's a her in, but, like, if you look at the cockpit, it's just this. And that would look pretty empty, because the canopy is pretty big and all that. So, yeah. Finished painting her. Dad helped me on the eyes and everything like that, like, telling me a good technique to do it. And actually, your helmet is this French wine Craft Smart. I don't usually use craft paint for models. I use it more for canvas. But with this, it worked out well. I have started painting the wheels. The middle is just silver, tester silver. And the outside is German gray, Tamiya, which I hate. But the Tamiya looks like, you know, tire color. So that's why we always use it for the wheels. I was just about to glue the fuselage together, and I believe I have all the parts. And just now, I had showed that I finished the pilot. Well, I was looking on the decals, and they actually gave you decals for the eyes. So I just decided, oh well, I guess I'm just going to use them. My eyes weren't that great anyway. It looks just like the box now, so oh well. And Dad also suggested, so it has, it fell, for the propeller, it gave you this, I don't know what you would call it, this peg, that you just lock in to the fuselage so it can still rotate, and the propeller can move after you've glued everything in. But in order to prevent all the glue to go in and glue that in, has a nice little house, Dad advised me to drill a couple holes as kind of notches and, you know, a protective hole to help prevent that from happening and from it to glue in the place. Now, I'm not sure when the last time it was that I had filmed, but I have a feeling I've done a lot since then. I have painted the blue and the yellow, just like it is on the box. I wanted to go with this paint scheme, like I feel like I mentioned a long time ago, instead of that paint scheme. Those are actually decals, so I have a feeling it would have been easier, but I wanted to go with the blue and yellow. The blue I used was a Tamiya Sky Blue, and the yellow I used was also Tamiya, I think. Just a Tamiya Lemon Yellow. I also did major assembly, put the propeller on, and painted that. Most of the decals are on too. I just have to uncover the canopy and paint that silver. And I need to put the decals on the propellers. But it is almost done. I honestly don't know where I left off, but I uncovered the canopy and painted that silver and added the detail of the blue that wasn't silver. I've just got 2 decals to put on near the canopy, which was covered up, and put the landing gear on, and I'll be done. The egg plane is finished now. I realize it's been a year since my last video. Despite COVID, I've been really busy. I spent most of my time volunteering at my community center, and I worked there for a while too. I also have a part-time job as well. Other than my scale modeling, I've been working on my art, and this is a portrait I did of Gordon Ramsay using pencil crayons. I've also been sewing a lot too now. So let's take a look at the egg plane. Despite its outlandish proportions, the manufacturer has put a lot of detail into this aircraft. I didn't need to use any filler or putty, as all the pieces fit so nicely together. The decals went on without any trouble, and it was nice that they give you decals for the pilot's eyes. Overall, I would definitely build another Hasegawa model kit, whether it was an egg plane or a regular aircraft. Thanks for watching, and until next time, just keep on modeling.